Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenge TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs won. Amazulu won. I'm joined by Gwinda.
The most club in the world. We can't cook. We can't cook the pap without the fire.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying for like that?
Yeah.
Okay, Mayo is too much dribbling instead of passing.
Yeah.
It's too much for the dribbling. Why not passing?
Yeah.
You know what? We're costing our man to come that side.
Yeah.
You know what? We're costing our man to come that side.
Yeah.
We know we love our team.
Yeah.
But always forget he's playing well, but we don't have a lagging.
Yeah.
You know, Steve, we don't have a lagging.
You don't have a lie.
But what can I say? We'll give our credit for a player. They did play well. 1 point is very important.
Yes.
But we need a coach.
Yes.
We need a coach.
Yes.
Because Nabi now is using the Bluetooth. Nabi is using the Bluetooth from Rose. He's using the Bluetooth.
Yeah.
What can we say? Because we always will get a free penalty.
Yeah.
But we never scored.
Yeah.
We'll never.
Yes.
What can I say in the table? We're crying inside.
Yes.
We dying inside.
Yeah.
Stable, that's a fan.
Yeah.
What can I say, Stable? We are dying inside of the beer inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are bleeding. Yeah, we're bleeding.
Yeah.
We must dishing, not cooking.
Yeah.
Always we're cooking. We need a sushi food.
Yeah.
We need a sushi food. What can I say, Stable? I just forgive the credit for Atazwane. Atazwane. I think maybe the management is Atazwane. He did the great job. Because it's 1-1. Even if we draw, it's fine. We support our team, we support our player. So it means we need a lucky goal to score. Always we miss it. We need a lucky. Always we mess up.
And you know what?